Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This is your dream home, a lovely 4,950 square feet, 5 bedroom, 6.5 bathroom, executive home. This home is located within an upscale gated community in Montego Bay, Jamaica, known as Lombardia Circle. There is splendid ocean view from the spacious entertainment deck and pool. This home is clustered luxuriantly over 15,000 square feet of land with fruited trees throughout. This home is being sold unfurnished and it consists of housekeepers' living quarters, two-vehicle garage with additional parking capacity for 4 vehicles. Other features of this home includes ceramic tile, security system, garden area, water tank, water heater, ceiling fans, grilled, swimming pool, kitchen built-ins, jetted bathtub, main level entry, water purifier, fully fenced, fully walled, standby generator, 24-hour security, jacuzzi, family oriented, recreational nearby, quiet area, seniors oriented, gated community, and much more. The current price of this home is US $780,000 or Jamaican $122.4 million. Now, let's take a look at this home and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.